First ever tag duel, sub duel. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to join the EDO Pro Tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. How do I start this? Oh, there we go. Dude! Get out of here.
No way.
We'll go first there. Holy Brick City.
Oh,
Damn.
God.
Brick
imagine.
City.
Okay, this is an interesting.
Main phase 1. Pot of duality. Come on, how are the cards? Give me that.
I activate monkey mode.
Normal summon. Inspect the border.
Wait, what type of monkey mode?
And then I will go 1.
Hey, at least nobody's running sub-terrors. As far as I know.
I don't know. Blake might be running his Power Rangers.
Maybe.
Or is the
I was playing against Super Quantums today.
Yeah, that kind of fun deck.
Make sure you always put chaining manual there, Blake. During the
Okay.
Ooh.
your draw phase.
Like, the guy was trying... There can be only one.
Kuriboh.
Summoning Kuriboh.
Oh man, that's gonna.
This is gonna be an interesting tag team. This is gonna be the most interesting tag team I've ever been in.
It sure is. Oh,
Wow,
damn.
okay.
Imperial
You like that.
Order.
No.
Yeah, I kind of screwed up
That
our
hurts.
spells there.
It's fine.
Why not? Let's do that for fun.
Yeah, your
Go
hand is
Power
like all
Rangers.
spells.
I can get rid of it
Oh,
if I get
that's good.
He's gonna
that
need-
no,
one.
it's negated,
Imperial
dude.
negates your cards too. Imperial
The cost will
negates
go.
yours too. Because negate all spells on the field.
How do you get? I'm dumb.
So you just let a light one out, or you just a trap card to get rid of it.
Attack!
What the hell?
Inspector Birder. Let's do it! Let's get it!
Metaverse.
What is he? Mystic Mine. Really, my dude? Really?
Well, that Mystic Mind's not even gonna be a problem, anyways.
This is Inspector Border. Yo, yeah, do it. Do it. Get out of here.
You really?
Infinite and permanent. That's negated. Oh wait, he has Grand
I know.
Madru too. Mother.
No. No, 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 no.
Interesting.
Like, I was about to pop the Imperial Order, but the Imperial Order's killing everybody here.
Do it.
Yeah.
Out of the cards.
Ooh.
What is this?
Actually, yeah, that would have helped out a lot.
No.
Actually, let me grab my glasses.
What the? Oh, standby phase, pay.
Yeah.
Normal summon. How do you say the last fossil dyna? What the fuck?
Fossil Dyna Pachycephalo.
Oh,
Doesn't
damn.
matter, it's a Fossil Dyna Soloma Judgmenta.
That's 8,000. Whoa.
I know. I know.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Battle.
Keep that card off the field.
Spectre
Yeah.
Border. Attack.
Attacks.
Gilf. Gilfy?
Gilf, the Phantom Bird.
Phantom.
No, it's just Gilf. Gilf.
Destroy.
Nah, Take 500 points of damage to the face.
Fernando.
Hmm.
Yeah, we're supposed to have MM Warrior 56 with us, but Yakov subbed in because we can't get a hold of MM Warrior. Where'd you go, Matthew? This could have been you. What's this effect here?
Curry Bandit, normal summon, or
Inspector
during
Border
end
just
phase.
stops it, so
Oh yeah. So we didn't even have to infinite
be very
permanence, correct?
right.
Wow. Good thing there.
Well, Gilf is a mandatory, so it's not activated. So yeah, impermanence would have been needed to stop it.
Oh, okay.
Even though that Inspector Border stops the activation. It's not an well, technically it is an activated effect, but sometimes it isn't because it's a mandatory effect.
So the question is, was it necessary for Gilf? Infinite impermanence.
The impermanence would have been simply because Inspector Border couldn't stop it from activating.
Sure.
Necroface there.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna take your monster for a bit. Is that fine?
What?
Can I use your monster?
To
Link.
Link? No, don't do that. Don't
Alright.
do that. We need Inspector Border.
Do it, do it, do it.
If you do it, then their monster effects can go off.
So we take 2,200.
Why did you do that?
Why would you do
Why
that?
We
the
just-
impermanence?
We
You're on
just
auto,
said.
my bad.
We
And
just
just wasted
said.
2 minutes.
All I gotta do is have a Gilf in hand, and it's gone with the It's gone with the Imperial Order and Mystic
It was
Mind.
on auto. I forgot to change it to manual. My phone being dumb right now.
Well then, we might have to do another one.
It's okay.
I literally have nothing I can
Alright, how
I
do
can
the
do with
cards?
this.
What the?
Like,
God
I have
knows.
something now, but I gotta
I
get,
can't
we
even
gotta
do
get
this
rid
one.
of
No, I
that. There only
can't.
can be one.
Nah, I don't want to do that. Bottle.
Yeah, Yakov, there only can be one card that actually screws up my shit.
Necroface. Direct attack. Inspector Border. Direct attack.
Yeah, that definitely screws my stuff, but I don't know.
Fernando.
Yeah, that Imperial Order hurts both of our decks horrendously.
Yeah.
And that's game.
Hey, don't forget, it hurt me too.
I was like, yeah, I'll just use this card, this deck, whatever.
Yeah, it's gonna be game 2 next.
Like I said, and that's
Swing
game
it up.
because we were drawn purely into traps.
Inspector Border. Finish it.
Dude,
Yeah. Me
Why
and
is it one
Snas
match?
win. Kuriboh and Yugioh got destroyed. That was the first ever tag duel. They got YouTube channels as well. I'm gonna put that in the description. Thank you guys for the duel. And sub if you liked
No
it.
problem.
Like if you subbed it. See you guys.